my name is NUR NISA binti ANUAR. My matrix number is F22A0003, and today I'm going to present the best diet for farm animal, which is my selected animal is sheep. For your information, a sheep is a ruminant, which is animal with 4 compartments of stomach. So, let us first go through the digestive system of a sheep. The digestive system of a sheep included mouth, esophagus, 4 compartments of stomach, which are rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum, and also intestines. Okay, first, after grazing the grass or food, the food will enter the mouth and combine with the saliva and form a bolus. The bolus then will go into the esophagus and right into the rumen. Rumen, also known as a pouch, is the biggest part of the stomach in the sheep or in the ruminant. The food is mechanically crunched and exposed to the bacteria, which is also known as bacterial fermentation. The bacterium will secrete the enzyme to break down the cellulose, sugar, and starch, which are the carbohydrates. This is where the process of rumination occurs. The process of rumination is actually when the food regulates into the rumen and right up back into the esophagus and the mouth to be chewed again. This action also known as chewing the cud. After chewing for the several times, the food will finally enter the reticulum. Next, the food will enter the second stomach, which is reticulum, also known as the honeycomb. It is called honeycomb because of its texture look like a honeycomb. Here, it will collect the smaller digester particles and move them into the omasum, while the larger particles remain in the rumen for the further digestion. After being filtered by reticulum, the smaller particles of the food will enter the omasum, which is also known as the many piles. It is called many piles because it has many layers to maximize the absorption of water and nutrients. Here, water will be absorbed into the omasum, and it will remove around 60 to 70% of the liquid content from the food. Then, the food will enter the last stomach, which is abomasum, also known as the true stomach. Here, it will secrete the gastric juice that contains lysozyme. The gastric juice, which is hydrochloric acid, will then start the digestion of the proteins and also kills a majority of the microbes from the rumen. After that, the food will move into the small intestine, where there will be more secretion of enzyme and more absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream by the villi. Move to the large intestine. Further digestion by the bacteria will occur and more liquid will be removed here. The waste products are then forced through the rectum and secreted through the anus as the feces. So, the question is, what is the best diet for a sheep? In order to identify the most suitable diet for the sheep, we must first know the eating habit of a sheep. A sheep usually spends around 6 to 8 hours grazing each day. Around 0.03 pounds of food needed for every sheep weight. The adult sheep, usually ram, can eat between 9 to 10 pounds each day. Next, let us look at the essential nutrients needed by the sheep. A sheep needs water to support the transport of nutrients and elimination of water products, and also to regulate body temperature between 38.3 degrees Celsius to 38.9 degrees Celsius. A sheep also need carbohydrates. This include starch, sugar, and cellulose. Protein. Among 20 types of amino acid, half of it are essential for a ruminant, including sheep diet. The protein will be broken down in the rumen. Next, lipid. It helps regulate body metabolism in the sheep. Next, a sheep also need vitamins, which are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin B. Finally, a sheep need minerals, which are calcium, phosphorus, sodium, iron, and copper A. So, looking back at the digestive tract of the sheep, we can conclude that basically the best diet that can be digested by the sheep digestive system are grass, leaves, legumes, and also flowering plants. The sheep will actively avoid woody plants in favor of softer ones that do not require as much chewing or difficulty in digesting. Here we can see that a sheep will favor to choose ryegrass, followed by fuscus, timothy grass, bromine grass, red canary grass, kikuyu grass, white clover, red clover, and etc. Well, I think that is all from me. Thank you for watching my video. See you again. Bye!